Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Richie from Sweden and welcome back to a brand new episode. Now as you guys already can read by the title today, I'll be showing you my cheap alternative to the Alyx chest bag.
We be 50 yo, watch how they bro. That's a guy. Pray that the OP choke, that the whole team glow. Singing me yeah.
And I'm also talking about how much I spent for and where you can possibly find it as well by checking out the links down in the description. Now the Alyx chest bag, in my personal opinion, has probably been the biggest accessories throughout 2017. I've seen big artists and even like influential people wearing it. I've seen Connor, I've seen Kanye West and loads of other people. Like, to be honest with you guys, when I saw it on Kanye, I didn't think that it was like a cool piece since his outfit wasn't that good, because in some type of way I do not think that he did the piece any justice with the outfit he wore. So for me it was like yeah. But when I saw it on Connor and I've seen it like on loads of other people on Instagram, to be honest, that was the moment that really caught my eye and I was like, you know what, I really need that bag. After doing some research, I was like, okay, how much does it go for? And I saw that it retailed for like almost going into $600. And for me that's kind of steep. That's way out of my budget. So I did some type of research, like trying to find some cheap alternatives to it, and to be honest with you guys, I didn't find anywhere. And even though if I found one, they were sold out. If you're new to this channel, my name is Richard. I cover men's fashion, so everything from fashion weeks to cheap alternatives. And if you guys are really into my videos, do not forget to subscribe button down below and also smash the like button, because that will give me a positive feedback that you guys are really into my channel. And if you are not into my channel, well, you better be. The first time I saw this chest bag, not this chest bag, but the first time I saw the chest bag from Alyx, it was on Kanye West. I really didn't fall for it like at that moment, but when I saw different people styling it in different type of ways, that really caught my eye. That really like drew my attention to the item, and since then I've been trying past 5 to 6 months to find an alternative to it. And when I saw that the retail went for like $560 or $590 or something, I just thought to myself, you know what, there is no way that I was spending $600 on a chest bag that really looks like an item from the military. So I started doing some research if I could find like a similar item, basically like the Alyx one but without the branding. And to be honest, I did find ones, but they were sold out. So I was like, oh man, like where can I find these ones? So after doing some digging and researching for probably like 2 months, I just went to myself, I was like, okay, you know what, you will never find one. But just a couple of weeks ago, Alyx restocked the chest bag, and of course they sold out just after like 2 hours. Even though I wasn't going to buy one of them, I just thought to myself, you know what, let me just do some bit of research and maybe I could find a new one. Or not even a new one, but there should be some type of alternatives out there in the world or on the internet basically. So on a random day, I think it was like a Monday, even a Tuesday, I was basically just scrolling through, not even Instagram, actually Facebook, and there was this page called Loungean, which is like a Swedish streetwear group on Facebook. Anyways, when I saw that this guy out of nowhere was selling this chest bag, I got so happy, because I've been literally thinking about buying this chest bag for the past 5 months. So I hit the guy up and I said I really want the chest bag. We came to a very fair price. He gave it to me for only $90 including shipping. For me that was very affordable, even though it doesn't say Alyx or anything. You know, your boy is like on a fashionable budget. I've always told myself that your style should define you and not brands. But going into the chest bag itself, it really do look good on me. I do not care what you guys think. It has some type of buckles on the shoulder, not even the shoulders, but on the left, well, I should say shoulders, on the left shoulder and the right shoulder, and also a buckle here, so it makes it easier for me to take it off if I want to.
Nah nigga, you can never touch levels like man. Ezzy gang a big circle. Fuck Valley Pop Zang. I'm with Jack Sprite Mag, been up till it's purple. Been this way since back in the day, make a bitch me serve curfew. Yeah. Never bomb like man, you must learn to. And then packs on me personally. Start your lady, fuck's sake. Know your baby's one snake. The girls from the upside got run through by me with the lumpy and bag. Nah, nigga, never take L from a Jesse. What time slide beat down, hit the bass.
Definitely one of my greatest cup of 2018. I hope you guys like this video, and also please do let me know what you guys think about the chest bag. If you're into this channel, guys, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, because that'll give me a positive feedback that you guys are really into my channel. I'm actually leaving Stockholm for a warmer country in a couple of days. Unfortunately, I can't say where, but in a couple of days you guys will know. Now that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I would style this chest bag, like basically doing a whole lookbook, please let me know down in the description and I'll try to arrange that. That was it for today's video, guys. It's your boy Richie. I am signing out and I'm saying peace.